All right, lesson 13 of unit 3. Today we are simply talking about multiplying complex numbers. Last lesson we talked about adding and subtracting, and also powers of imaginary numbers. Today we're going to focus on multiplying complex numbers, and once again, the way we do that is going to be the same as we multiplied polynomials. So we're going to use the box method to multiply two complex numbers together, just like we did with polynomials. And then when we write our answer, we want to make sure that we use the fact that I squared is equal to -1 to simplify our answer as much as possible. So with that in mind, let's take a look at the first example, and I will go right ahead and set up the box method here. 8 plus I. Okay. So we have, let's see, -5 times 8. That's going to be -40. Okay. And we have -5 times I is going to be -5I. Then we have 3I times 8, which is 24I. And then we have 3I times I, which is going to be 3I squared. And if we put all that together, we end up with -40. 24I and -5I is going to combine to 19I plus 3I squared. And normally, if we were just dealing with polynomials, we would be done. But because we're dealing with complex numbers, we need to use the fact that I squared is equal to -1. So I can simplify this last term here. 3I squared is really 3 times -1. And of course, 3 times -1 is -3. Okay? So if I bring everything else down, I have -40 plus 19I minus 3. Now I have like terms. I have a -40 and a -3. Okay? And if I put those together, I end up with -43. Right? -40 and -3 become -43 plus 19I. And that right there is our answer.